Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is exclusively for learning chemistry. So if you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And let us start with our today's topic. Hello everyone, today we'll learn about preparation of carboxylic acid from acyl halides and anhydride and from esters. So first we will start with acyl halide. So what are acyl halide? Acyl halide are RCOCl. So this is an example of acyl halide or acid halide. So here we are taking RCOCl. So how do we prepare carboxylic acid from this? So we have to just hydrolyze this acyl halide with water. So one way is to hydrolyze it with water. So I am writing here. So if you hydrolyze it with water, then you will get what? You will get directly your carboxylic acid, that is RCOH and chloride ion. So this is the first way to convert acyl halide to carboxylic acid. Simply hydrolyze it with water. Second way is what? Second way is to first add a base in the presence of water or aqueous base OH negative and water, that is aqueous base, and first you will get what? You will get carboxylate ion. So first you will get carboxylate ion RCOO negative and your chloride ion, right? And then when you acidify it, you add acid, that is H3O plus, then you will get your carboxylic acid, that is RCOH. So this is another way to make carboxylic acid from acyl halide. First is simply hydrolyze with water to get carboxylic acid, and second is add or hydrolyze acid chloride with aqueous base. And you will first get your carboxylate ion, then add acid, and you will get your carboxylic acid. So this is how we produce carboxylic acid from acyl halide. The second method is to produce carboxylic acid from anhydrides. So anhydride example I am taking C6H5CO whole twice O. So this is benzoic anhydride. When you hydrolyze it with water, you will directly get your corresponding carboxylic acid. So if you hydrolyze it with water, what you will get? You will get benzoic acid. So your benzoic acid formula is C6H5COOH. So you will get two molecules of benzoic acid because here are two C6H5CO groups in this anhydride molecule. Another example of anhydride, we can take C6H5COO CH3, right? So this is what? This is benzoic ethanoic anhydride. And when we hydrolyze it with water, then you will get two different types of carboxylic acid. First you will get benzoic acid, and second you will get what? Ethanoic acid. Because this is here you can get benzoic acid, and from this 2 carbon atom you can get ethanoic acid. So you will get C6H5COOH plus CH3COOH. So this is how we can produce carboxylic acid from your anhydride. Just simply hydrolyze it with water. So this was the first method, that is from acyl halide and anhydride. Second method is from esters. So this is the last method. The ester method will be the last method to produce your carboxylic acid according to the syllabus. So from esters also there are two ways to prepare carboxylic acid. First is acid hydrolysis and second is basic hydrolysis. So first we will take acid hydrolysis. So for example, I am taking this ester benzene and COOC2H5. So this is what? this is ethyl benzoate. This is ethyl benzoate, and when you hydrolyze it with acid, H3O plus, then what will be formed? Acid and alcohol will be formed. So what will be the acid? Benzoic acid will be formed. Benzoic acid, and alcohol will be formed. Alcohol will be what? C2H5OH, ethanol. So this is the method. This is acid hydrolysis of ester to produce your carboxylic acid. If you add base, then what will be formed? If you add base, then first, instead of here, if you add base, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, then what you will get? First, you will get your carboxylate ion. So, benzene ring, COO and Na, right? So, this is your carboxylate ion, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and your ethanol. And then, when you add what? H3O plus, then you will get your carboxylic acid. So, this will become benzoic acid. Benzene ring attached to COOH. So this is how your basic hydrolysis works. So in the basic hydrolysis, this ester is hydrolyzed with base, and you will get first sodium salt, and then when you add acid, you will get your carboxylic acid. So this is how basic hydrolysis work. So we have discussed all the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids, and I hope you have understood this topic very well, and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.